our LearnFlow, where learning flow into skills is a training and a student management app developed by our LowCodeDev with the power of Power Apps Canvas. These apps we are focusing strictly on our SMEs, those who involve on training and the students' management purposes. So we are having most important screen that is called the dashboard, and on these apps we can see our batch status overview, the student activity overview, our students gender distribution, and courses status overview together with the payment status. So basically this dashboard shows everything. Then we are having a registration screen where we can see how many active courses over here and how many active students we are having currently, and also the total registered students. Then we also have a gallery where we can see the batch number, batch details such as the student's name, and also the date of the batch is going to start. Here we can also filter our gallery based on the student name, and then we can also filter based on the select batch, and also based on the payment status. Here, another important part is we can select the batch, and we can also update the student's payment status from paid to pending or pending to paid. Then another important screens we have over here is course. So basically we are having a gallery where it's showing all the course information such as Power Apps Beginner Bootcamp, showing what are these bootcamp about, and also the payment, a total cost of the bootcamp, and whether the bootcamp is active or inactive. Now, here we can also filter this based on the category, such as Power Automate, Power Apps, Power BI, Power Pages, Copilot Studio, and together with the Power Platform. Now, if someone wants to filter the gallery based on the status, whether it's active or inactive, we can also do over here. Now, we can also add a new course. Let's say we can also add a course name like sample course. Course code, we can say any sample code. Course categories such as Power Pages, total hours 120, course fee 22, and any description. Then we can add course. Then we have a batch. So here we can also see all the batches with informations and who is the instructor over here and what date is going to start, and we can also filter our gallery. We can also add a new batch. Then we have all the students over here on the gallery showing their informations, and also the currently joined, the foreign students we have, the total students, and also how many inactive students we have. Then we can also add students from here. Then finally we have a profile. It's called user profile. This information coming based on the user login. So all this information is coming from M365 tenant. So basically we are focusing on SMEs, those who provide the training and those who wants to manage their students. Hope everyone likes it, and we are very much eager to get the feedback from your side. Thank you so much.